it, man.
I can just go?
Enjoy it. Have fun.
Can you give me a countdown?
1, 2, 3.
Today we're at Challenge Sonoma Adventure Ropes Course located in beautiful Glen Ellen, California, and we are starting our morning on the ground doing some team and partner challenges. This is important because when we get into our comfort zones, we don't really grow as much as we can, and throughout the day we really watch their confidence blossom, and it's really a rewarding thing, not only for the students but for us as well.
So we are at the Challenge Sonoma Ropes Course, and we have the whole MBA cohort here. Right now we are going to the actual ropes section. We did some preliminary team-based challenges, which kind of got our mind and body moving a little bit, but now we're fully stepping in to the actual ropes course. I'm also a little nervous. We're getting comfortable being uncomfortable. How are we feeling?
I guess we're gonna find out as soon as I get up there.
Have you ever done one of these before?
I have not. I'm optimistic and I'm excited.
Yeah?
I don't know if you know that nervousness and excitement release the same hormones.
Yes.
So you want to just change the words and you'll be all set.
There we go. Getting a little science lesson. Guys, we're up here.
What's up?
You guys can see. So now Matthew's gonna go first. I just got up here. And behind me is Sydney. Focused, determined. We're all doing it.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!